Hey everybody, this is Brandon with Digital Auto, about to do a showcasing on this 2010 Shelby Mustang. Let's go do it right now. Okay, here it is, 2010 Shelby Mustang. It does have the Mammoth Supercharger on it, so I mean it's like 750 plus horsepower. There's more images in the link below of this Supercharger and everything that's on this vehicle, but I'm going to go through most of everything in this vehicle in this video, show you the outside of it. It's in really good shape all the way around, and getting inside, leather's really well taken care of. Everything's been very well taken care of. This thing sounds nice, it drives nice, it's got all kinds of power. Dash and everything's been well taken care of. Only has like 25,000 miles on it, so there's the Shelby edition right there in the middle of the console. Has the big screen there. This thing is all the specs for this are on the description that's going to be below this video. I'm not going to pretend to know everything about this vehicle, but I know it has a lot of power and just really great vehicle, fun vehicle to drive. Of course, it is a 6-speed. Plenty of upgrades to this thing too, so just check it out in the description. Everything about this vehicle should be there. There's a picture with some more descriptions as well. So this is Brandon with Digital Auto on this 2010 Shelby Mustang. Thing is really nice, really great, really fun to drive, so check it out. Come get it before it's gone here at Digital Auto. Y'all have a great day.